Okay, I'm on the Port Townsend ferry doing my sightseeing. I already did a tour like this at night, but it's daytime now. Thought I'd do it different. Oh wow. See, you can sit in here up front, enjoy the view, face the sunrise. The windows are almost clean. Got some fingerprints on these windows. Fire station. There's a mountain there. I have no idea which mountain. That way is north. There's stairs down to the evacuation level and then the car level. So this thing has 4 levels that people can access, customers can access. This is Port Townsend. This is where I got on. You probably can't see in the video. Up on that hill, about halfway up, there's like 4 deer wandering around. But yeah, I didn't get a video because I wanted to catch the ferry. The ferry only runs every hour and a half, so if I don't catch this one, it's going to be a long wait for the next one. It's kind of funny. There's signs here that says you can drink alcohol here, but you can't bring your own. You have to buy it here. I think that's so they can make sure you don't get enough to drink, actually get drunk. There we go. There's multiple restrooms and drinking fountains on this level. How's it going? So, it's pretty nice. What's weird, I was wondering if this place ever gets crowded. Most people, they stay in their car. The people ride in their car. Due to COVID-19, they prefer people stay in their car, but I asked them if we have to or not. They're like, nah, you can go wander around. So, yeah, I'm taking my stretch break. All right, so I'm gonna go outside now. If I can find my way out. Oops, here's the wrong door. Oops. Should be nice and cold. All right, there's the city of Port Townsend. Nice and pretty on the sunrise. There we are. Speaking of sunrise, there it is. Notice even though we're not going anywhere, the engine is pushing against the thing again. Pushing us towards land. Oops, hang on, my gimbal is on strike. Don't get me started. Yesterday when I went around shooting video, I had to keep holding my gimbal at a funny angle to keep it working. It's a piece of junk, but oh well, it's better than nothing. There we are. There's mountains over there. I have no idea. We're actually north of Seattle. No, what is it called? Northwest of Seattle. So I don't even think we'd be able to see Mount Rainier or anything cool like that. I don't really know my way around northern Washington very well. Wow, it's windy up here. It's barely above freezing too. Okay, that's the name of this vessel, the Salish. S-A-L-I-S-H. It's funny, they have a lot of security cameras up here, but not down below. So I'm wondering if the security cameras are just to make sure nobody jumps overboard or something like that. I don't know. I don't care. Oh wow, we just left. The trip across here, it's only a few miles. It takes about 15 minutes. So it's no big deal. It's perfect if you're a tourist, you want to just ride for fun. Well, it costs a lot more if you bring your vehicle, so just ride as a pedestrian. But yeah. Oh, there goes our dock. What's up, dog? It's very smooth. I don't know if it's the vessel or the pilot, but when we land and take off, oh wow, on top by that windsock there's a bald eagle. Anyway, yeah, it doesn't feel like a crash at all. It's very smooth. So I don't know if because the vessel is so heavy or the pilot's just a, whoops, hang on, my gimbal's being stupid again. There we go. Yeah, yesterday I was fighting with my gimbal all day. Salish. There's hardly anybody on board. It's funny. If you got a good zoom lens on top of the windsock back there, there's a bald eagle sitting there.
Oh yeah.
Man, this thing's loud. What's up? It is a little bit cold out here, but this concludes my video.